Hello guys, in today's video I am going to teach you how to set up a two-factor authentication on Steam in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do is we need to open our Steam software, of course, and after that guys, you go to the top left corner and you will see there a Apple icon if you're using a Mac, and beside it there is a Steam word. Click that one and go to preferences or the Steam settings. Okay, so after that guys, the Steam settings just pop up on your screen, and what you're gonna do guys is you need to find where are you going, or we need to find where we can manage our Steam guard or our two-factor authentication. So in order to do that guys, we just have to go to the security, and of course you will see here Steam guard. Okay, so you just click this manage Steam guard. Okay, so after that guys, so the first thing guys we need to do is to have a Steam app on our mobile devices. So for me guys, I already have here, so I don't wanna remove this authenticator on my mobile device. And of course guys, you can also have a backup Steam guard code. So I still don't have one, but you can also have this one guys. So click this one, get backup codes, and after that guys, so something will you will receive some SMS or message from your mobile phone, and after receiving those mobile SMS guys, just click this one, generate codes now. So that's it guys, that's how are you going to set up a two-factor authentications on Steam. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Steam. Thank you.